Welcome. Question number 19. A profit of 8% was made when an article was sold for $500. So at what price should it be sold to make a profit of what? 16%. Maybe we're thinking 8%, 16% will be a double of this. The answer is here will let you know that it will not be the double of that. So since it's section A, I will not be following all the procedures. You can check my playlist on percentages. We done tutorial on this. Remember, the cost price is always equivalent to 100. Then the selling price is the increment in the percentage. So I'm going to use that as section in solving this. We know the selling price. So if I am picking this, we have the selling price. The first selling price is 500. We know the profit percent as 8%. So what do we need? We need to find the cost price, the first selling price, the first cost price. And how do we find cost price? That cost price is equivalent to 100%. So I'll be having 100 divided by the increment in the percentage as the formula. And that is going to be 100 plus 8 times what? The selling price. That's the concept I'll be using. So this become 100 over 108 times 500 what? Dollars. And if you do that on the calculator, let's see what that value will be. So this will be giving us 462.97 if I can approximate it in that way. So this is the cost price of the article. So if this is the cost price, then we now have a new profit percent, which is 16%. And we are looking for now selling price, which is equals to the increment in the percentage, as in 100 plus 16, 116 divided by this times what? The cost price, which we can have as 462.97. Let's put that also and see its value. 116 divided by 100 multiplied by 462.97. That should be giving you a value of 537.0. I'll pick 04 is 045, but I'll be taking this because the answers are in this form. Because the approximation here will increase this one also. So we can pick that and check the options that will best fit, and that will be the option what? C. This is not the only way we can solve it. We can also use the section that we know cost price. Okay, let's say selling price equals to cost price plus what? The increment in percentage. As it the 8% of what? The cost price. That's how, if you're looking for selling price, if you know the cost price, you find 8% of that and multiply. And this is what you're looking for. So you can put your selling price value here. Then make this the subject. This is going to be CP outside. You'll be left with 1 plus what? 8%. And 1 plus 8% will come back to give you your 1.08. And 1.081 times this, you come back and get the same thing. That value can also be used. You can find your own approach and share that in the comment section. Thanks for watching.